In a situation like this, counting may help. The purpose of counting is simply to focus the mind on the breath. Once your mind is focused on the breath, give up counting. This is a device for gaining concentration. There are numerous ways of counting. Any counting should be done mentally. Do not make any sound when you count. Following are some of the ways of counting. While breathing, and count 1, 1, 1, 1 until the lungs are full. Or fresh air. While breathing out, count 2, 2, 2, 2 until the lungs are empty of fresh air. Then while breathing in, again count 3, 3, 3, 3 until the lungs are full again. And while breathing out, count again 4, 4, 4, 4 until the lungs are empty of fresh air. Count up to 10 and repeat as many times as necessary to keep the mind focused on the breath. The second method of counting is counting rapidly up to 10 while counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe in and again while counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe out. This means in one inhaling you should count up to 10, and in one exhaling you should count up to 10. Repeat this way of counting as many times as necessary to focus the mind on the breath. See, the third method of counting is by a succession of counts up to 5 through 10. At this time, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only up to 5 while inhaling, and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6 while exhaling. Again, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only up to 7 while inhaling. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 while exhaling. Count up to 9 while inhaling in. Count up to 10 while exhaling. Repeat this way of counting as many times as necessary to focus the mind on the breath. The fourth method is to take a long breath when the lungs are full. Mentally count 1 and breath out completely until the lungs are empty or fresh air. Then count mentally 2. Take a long breath again and count 3 and breathe completely out as before. When the lungs are empty of fresh air, count mentally 4. Count your breath in this manner up to 10. Then count backward from 10 to 1. Count again from 1 to 10 and then 10 to 1. The fifth method is to join inhaling and exhaling. When the lungs are empty of fresh air, count mentally 1. This time you should count both inhalation and exhalation as 1. Again, inhale, exhale, and mentally count 2. This way of counting should be done only up to 5 and repeated from 5 to 1. Repeat this method until your breathing becomes refined and quiet. Remember that you are not supposed to continue your counting all the time. As soon as your mind is locked at the nostrils tip where the inhaling breath and exhaling breath touch, and begin to feel that your breathing is so refined and quiet that you cannot notice inhalation and exhalation separately, you should give up counting. Counting is used only to train the mind to concentrate on one point.